Checking the figures. The University of Otago has just received more than $43 million from the Health Research Council in its latest funding round. Professor Richard Blakey is the institution's Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Research, and he says the announcement reflects the faith the council has in the university.
We received $43.8 million in this latest Health Research Council funding round, which is, as far as I'm aware, the biggest win ever for the University of Otago out of the Health Research Council.
He says the money will help with a raft of research projects, which will hopefully benefit the country long term.
Through taxpayer funding, the value of health research is evident, and these projects and programs will deliver things of real and tangible benefit for New Zealanders.
Blakey says receiving the grant money helps cement Otago's researchers as world leaders in several research areas.
The competitive nature of these funds is such that anything that gets funded has to be at the cutting edge of its discipline. So yes, there will be areas where we lead the world. There will be areas where we bring in the leading international collaborators to work with us to help address issues. And I think importantly, there's a number of areas where we are the only place in the world to do the research, particularly in areas of Māori health.
The Dunedin study, which has been tracking the birth, growth and development of a group of Dunedin residents since the 1970s, is one project which has received further funding. It's being joined by a new but similar study in Christchurch.
Viewers in Dunedin might be very pleased to know that there are now 2 Otago University longitudinal studies that will be funded in parallel, the Dunedin study, which we're all very familiar with, but there's a second cohort study out of Christchurch that also received a program of funding.
A handful of academic fields have been funded, including research into Māori mental health, the effects of vaporising tobacco, and many more. Daryl Baser, 39, Dunedin News.